and here's game 3. So this is actually going to be interesting because currently I'm holding a 66% win rate with every video. Okay, let's see. Maybe we'll get a good hand this time, and I'll show you the power of Mech Druid, or whatever I'm supposed to call it. Gonna keep piloted. I think the deck list can be a bit more refined, so that it contains a lower curve. This allows for what is it? 2, 7, 5 to turn 2 Ancient of Lore. It's pretty sick. Do I just get out the early piloted though? No. No, I don't think so. It makes sense, but I'm not gonna do it. I think I want to innovate out the piloted. It's not a rush to get out the Ancient Lore. I think playing this on 3 than this on 4 is actually better. Yeah, I don't like leaving turn 2 up. I need to get early board control, especially against something like Control Warrior. I actually didn't know you can, press and hold to do that. It'll heal the broken stuff, I'm fairly sure. Yeah, you can break it again. Does he not have a War Axe is the question. Is that Acolyte? I don't know if it's combo or not yet. It might be combo, it might not. That was an interesting turn to look at. Let's see, probably has a death bite here. At least something to put down on curve. Yep. Lore is awkward, but still something I need to play here. Hope I don't get anything bad. Ship's Cannon would be good if I ran any pirates. Even though it dies to Death Bite, I think still it's okay. It's definitely the better play. Leaves 2/2/2s. It's pretty awkward for him. Well, it's not awkward for him. It's awkward for me, but it's still not a bad play. And not like I could pass that turn either. That would be worse. Better to get the early damage. Yeah, he has an Acolyte. He's just gonna hit that. Wow. No. He has to have an execute, right? That's probably what he has. Execute that. Hello. Yeah. Okay. I see. I see. I think maybe silencing the 1/2 is good. But I'd rather play on curve. No, it allows him for one more draw. I think it's okay using Keeper there too. Things I really want to develop as a deck. Just look at all the spells I have. Ah, that was weird. Ooh. I think Harvest, Wrath. Maybe Spider Tank Harvest? No, Spider Tank. Spider Tank Harvest is probably better actually. Because I mean, he's still gonna trade it, right? He's still gonna hit that. By Wrath, he'd just hit that. There's really no difference. Still making. This hand, the starting hand was pretty good, but The death spite just it destroys my day. Oh, so it's actually combo. Thought it was control, but I guess I hadn't seen any, control indications. I was hoping it would be control, because swipe is pretty much useless against Grand Patron if you do not have an Azure Drake. You oftentimes do not have. This guy likes thinking. Whoa. It's pretty cool. Do you have an execute? Wait, what? Why did you play? You have another whirlwind? Yeah. Why would you play that before if you knew that was gonna happen? Oh, spawn. This is adorable. Okay, I'm gonna stop that. Actually didn't know you could do that. I'm gonna swipe that. Left swipe that. Yeah, I'm probably gonna swipe that. Or maybe double wrath it. It's not lethal. I need to draw. It's very important that I get something good. I need to dig for the combo. I think that's pretty important. This fucking mushroom, man. I just love the sound that they make. I didn't know you could make this sound. Right, that can happen. No. No, screaming. What's his name? Western Commander? Really now? No Western Commander. Okay. You're right there. You need to have a whirlwind, right? Yeah. What I guessed. So do I just double swipe face and then hope to draw stuff? No wait, I Azure Drake swipe that. Yeah, I think swiping it is okay, even though it allows that to get a lot more damage. I think I'm on a high enough. He needs to trade. He doesn't have any death bite. So, and even if he doesn't trade, I'll just swipe face and win. Yeah, he needs to trade. I don't think the 9 attack is relevant. I think more Green Patrons though is pretty bad. So that's my last Azure Drake, so I have no more spell power swipes. We do what we want. If I win this, maybe he'll get greedy. I don't think he will get greedy. You know, if he's even, remotely good. I mean, what can his hand be that allows him to remove my Azure Drake without killing his own? I guess Cruel Taskmaster, War Axe, but then he takes a lot of damage to the face. It's a lot of damage. I think, yep. Okay, said. Nothing more. No activator? Okay. In the rage too? No. Okay. So I have the choice of Yeti, Shredder Hero Power, or Lotheb Yeti. I think Lotheb Yeti is a better play. You don't allow them to play spells, even though it uses the mana inefficiently. It's still a better play, yeah. I still have 2 lures in the deck. Fairly sure I do, yeah. He'll have to trade his entire board to remove mine. If he goes face, that's really good. Like, him going face, that means lethal, right? Yeah. Him going face is the worst thing he can do. I wonder if he will, though. No, he's gonna trade. No, he's not. He's gonna go face, that's lethal. Well played. He should have traded. I think that's the better play. There we go. I'm actually surprised. I think he didn't use any Warzone commanders, so be unlucky for him. Alright, there we go. And 66% win rate. That's cool. So yeah, thanks for watching. That's the final Mech Druid game, I do believe. I'm just gonna go over the deck list real fast. While I can. If it will only... Hello. Hello. So it doesn't want to let me go through the deck list. So I'll do that in the section. It's pretty unfair. Druid, please. No, none of the... Oh, the... What's my... Oh, okay. It just doesn't want to work with me. Well, thanks for watching anyways. Goodbye.